We'll guide you through how to update Google Chrome on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a good idea to go and keep Chrome up to date so it goes and has the latest features, fixes, and other things as well. So we're going to guide you through how it's done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. To get started in Chrome, what you need to do is you come to the top right and go and find the three dots, and you want to go and click there. Go to the bottom of the list and you can go and find the option for settings and go and click there. Come over to the left and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for About Chrome right at the bottom and click there. Now, as you can see here, when you click there, it starts doing the update. You can go and see the progress, so we'll just go and wait for this to go and complete. It won't go and take too long. It now says nearly ready to update, Chrome to finish updating. It says nearly up to date, relaunch Chrome to finish updating. So let's go and press relaunch to the right. Chrome should automatically go and start, and that's it. You've now successfully updated it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.